Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Loka Seva Gurukulam online classes in mathematics. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Come on, give one smile. Give one broad smile. Okay? Let us just revise what you have seen in the previous class. That is about linear equations. What is an equation? Any two terms, any two numbers, any two facts which are equal to each other are called equations. Suppose you say two numbers, say 4 is equal to 4. Whenever that equal sign comes, x is equal to 4, then we call it as equation. And suppose they are not equal, what do you call it? Suppose you say 5 and 4. We say 5 is more than 4, or 4 and 5. 4 is less than 5. What do you call it? They are called inequalities. Okay? So, in our daily life we come across with these equations to solve some problems, is it not? And yesterday also we have seen some equations and we have found the solution. So, solving equation means what? Finding the value of unknown. For every equation, for example, if you take an equation like this, x plus 4 is equal to 5. What is the unknown here? X is the unknown. What is the degree of the unknown? 1, that is understood. So, degree 1, one unknown, then we call it as linear equation, correct? If there is 2 degree, what do you call it? Quadratic equation. Of course, we will study later. X squared is equal to 25, say. That is called quadratic equation. Degree is 2 there. Is it not? If there are 2 unknowns, 2 or more unknowns, what do you call it? You call it as simultaneous linear equations. Okay? Of course, let us not worry all those things now. Now, coming to solving equation means getting the value of the unknown. For example, here if you take the equation x plus 4 is equal to 5, what is the value of x? X is equal to 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So, what you have done it? That is called transposition. So, that plus 4 come to right side, it becomes minus 4. So, value of x is equal to 1. So, here for the value of x is equal to 1, the equation will be balanced, it holds good. Okay? So, in our daily life also these linear equations are going a long way to count the coins, to find the number of, find the ages of persons, okay, to find the speeds of vehicles, and in many things. Some of them we are going to see today. Okay? We have got very good number of applications. By the way, what is algebra? Algebra is simplified arithmetic. So, it is simple form. So, the simplified arithmetic is called algebra. Why it is called like that? The formulas will go a long way to solve the problems of arithmetic. Okay? So, yesterday we discussed about that. So, these are some of the things which we have discussed in the previous class. Now, come on, all of you sit straight. Okay? Now, we will work out the home assignment. The first question is x minus 2 is equal to 7. What is unknown here? X. What is the degree of that x? 1. Okay. So, it is called linear equation. Why it is called equation? There is an equal sign here. So, how to get the value of x? So, yesterday we discussed about the law of transposition. Do you remember? Whenever there is plus, if it is transferred to the right hand side, there will be two sides here. This is called left hand side and this is called right hand side. So, between the equal sign you have got two sides, correct. So, when there is plus in the left hand side, if you go to right hand side, it becomes minus. What about minus? Minus will become plus. If there is a into or product, it becomes divided by. If there is a divided by, it becomes into. So, this is what is called sign of transposition. Do you remember? If you want, you can note down that how the sign changes. Now, coming to this. So, if the minus 2 bring this side, what happens? It becomes plus 2. So, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. And how do you know it is correct? That is called checking. Check. So, how to check it? Apply this value of 9 in this. So, you have left hand side. LHS means what? Left hand side of what? Of the equal sign. So, what is left hand side here? X minus 2, right? So, put 9 for this value of x, that is equal to 7. So, it is equal to right hand side. So, do not forget to do this checking, then you will know that I have done correctly. Okay. Now, coming to second question, you have noted down. Okay. Second question is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. So, whenever there is fractions, you have to take LCM of the denominator. So, what is LCM of denominator? 7. So, multiplying by 7 on both sides. So, yesterday we discussed about the conditions of solving equations. Whatever operation you do in the left hand side, same operation should be done on the right hand side. So, here we are multiplying by 7 on both sides. So, what do you get? 3 by 7 into 7. For every term you multiply by 7. 7 into x, 17 by 7 into 7. Okay. So, 7 cancels, you get 3 plus 7x. So, you can't add it. Why you can't add it? They are unlike terms. There are two types of terms. One are called like terms, there is unlike terms. Here you cannot add it. Okay. So, the 7 cancels, you have 17. So, 7x is equal to, bring this side, 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 means how much? 17 minus 3 is 14. So, 7x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 14 by 7, that is 2. So, for value of x is equal to 2, this result holds good. Okay. Same way you can check there by putting that value of 2 there. Okay. Will you do it yourself? Okay. Now, we will pass on to next problem. Taken down? Okay. 2m by 3 is equal to 18. Now, this is divided by 3. So, bring this here. So, if you bring it to the right hand side, it becomes into. So, 2m becomes 18 into 3, that is 54. 2m is 54 m is equal to 54 by 2. So, m is equal to 54 by 2, that is 27, correct. Now, apply this value here. So, 2m by 3, that is left hand side, 2 into, come on, m is how much? 27 by 3. So, 3 ones are 3 nines are, 9 into 2 is 18, that is a RHS, correct. So, that is the answer there. So, left hand side is equal to right hand side, okay. So, simple but very important. Now, coming to fourth question, 2 by 3 of x plus 1 is equal to 7 by 3. Now, what is the denominator here? LCM is 3 there. So, multiply by 3 on both sides. Why you are multiplying? Because there is fraction. When a fraction is there, you have to convert it into whole numbers. So, when you multiply by 3, you get 2 by 3 into 3 into x plus 1 into 3 is equal to 7 by 3 into 3. So, 3 cancels. Here also 3 cancels. You get 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. So, 2x is equal to 7 minus 3, that is 4. X is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. You can verify it also. So, value of x, therefore, x is equal to 2. That answer you must write. Same way you can check also. See here you put 2 here. So, 2 into 2 becomes 4. 4 by 3 plus 1 becomes 7 by 3. So, that also you can do yourself, right. So, these are the home assignment. Noted? Okay. Now, we will pass on to today's topic. What is the topic today? Applications of linear equations. What are the applications? What do you mean application means what? Use. See, for the, whatever you do, you should have a purpose. Why are you eating? You feel that I will get energy, is it not? I will live for long years, I will be always fresh, right? Why are you playing? Because you want to forget all the tension of the day. I want to become fresh, is it not? I want to enjoy, okay. So, there is a purpose. Now, you are sitting here in the class, I want to learn mathematics, I must score good marks in mathematics, not only mathematics, any subject for that matter. And if I get, I will get educated, then I will get good job, okay, and I want to serve the country. How many of you come for serving country? Okay. So, that is why you are sitting here, you are noting down, and what are the doubts here, you can make a list also, you can ask your doubt to your teachers or parents, okay. Like that, here also you should know why you are studying about linear equations. So, let us work out some problems on this. Sum of two numbers is 80. So, there are two numbers, the sum is 80. One of the number is 10 more than the other. So, relation between the two numbers is given. So, let us start like this. Let the number be, number is equal to number b x. Okay. So, you write it as solution for this problem. Of course, some of you can think orally and work out. Anybody? Think of two numbers whose sum is 80. What will be the answer? Can guess? No. Okay, we will see now. So, one number is x. So, what happens to second number? Therefore, second number is, if one number is x, one of the number is 10 more than the second, 10 more than the first. So, x plus 10, correct? Now, sum of the number. So, you get you write it as equation. So, you have to write the equation, that is very important part. See, the sum of the two numbers is given. What do you mean sum means what? You have to add, okay. So, one number is x, another number is x plus 10. If you add it, you get 80. So, x plus x how much? 2x plus 10 is equal to 80. So, what will you do for that? 2x plus 10. Now, bring the 10 this side. So, that is called transposition. Plus 10, if you bring to the right hand side, what happens? Minus 10, correct? So, you have 80 minus 10. So, 2x is equal to 70, x is equal to, see 2 is multiplied to x. You bring to right hand side, what happens? Divided by, so 70 by 2, that is 35. Some might have already guessed. So, you write it as answer, you must write. What is that? So, therefore, first number is how much? We took as x now. What is the value of x now? 35. Therefore, second number, see this is a minimum 2 marks, you must do in 4 minutes, a maximum 5 minutes. So, that speed also must be there. So, x plus 10, so 35 plus 10, x is 35 plus 10, that is how much? 45. On verification, very simple, if you add these two, 35 plus 45, you get 80. Okay, noted? Okay. Now, we will come to the second problem like this. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. What is perimeter? You know what is rectangle? A rectangle means it has a length, two lengths will be there, these two lengths will be equal, and it has two breadths, they also will be equal. Now, perimeter is given to be 154. What is perimeter means what? The length of all the sides AB, BC, CD, DA is 154. If its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth, suppose you call length as L and breadth as B, they are given some relation between length and breadth, and using that you have to solve. So, let us take the breadth of the rectangle as x meters, and then what happens to length now? Length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So, twice means what? X is there, breadth, twice means 2x, 2 meter more. So, 2x plus 2. Okay, understood? This is breadth, this is length. Now, what about perimeter? Perimeter means 2 into L plus B. So, 2 into L plus B. So, L means how much? 2x plus 2, this is L. B means how much? X, we have taken B here, is it not? So, perimeter becomes 2 into L plus B is equal to 154. Now, using this equation, you have to solve. Now, if you remove the bracket, See here 2x plus x becomes 3x, 2 into 3x becomes 6x, plus 2 2s are 4, 2 into 2 4x, plus 2 6x, plus 4 is equal to 154. Now what is the value of x now? 6x is equal to 154 minus 4, how much? 150. X is equal, 6x is 150, x is equal to 150 by 6. So 6 2s are 12, 3 remains 50, 25, x is equal to 25. Note it down, come on, note down one by one. So what is the answer is right. Therefore, length of the rectangular pool. How many know swimming? Almost all knows, especially boys will learn faster. Is it not? Learn swimming is very good, it is a good hobby. It gives good exercise for the body and makes you fresh always. Okay. So length of the rectangle. In swimming pool there will be, water will be circulated, is it not? There will be batches and depth also is varied for different size of the students. So swimming pool, the length is twice 2x plus 2, x is 25, so 25 into 2 becomes 50, 50 plus 2, that is 52, 25 into 2, 50 plus 2, 52 meters. Then length becomes, breadth becomes, we have taken breadth as x, breadth of the rectangular pool will be 25 meters. Okay. So what is the value of x means? Breadth of the rectangular pool is 25 and length becomes 52. Now what about perimeter now? That is a verification. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So 6x plus 4. So 6 into 25, that is 150 plus 4, 154. So that is verified. So 3 marks question, you must answer in 6 minutes. Can do it? Okay. Shall we pass on next problem? Okay. The third problem, the ages of Rama and Krishna are in the ratio of 5:7. So in your, there may be some Rama here sitting, or there may be Krishna. Any name you can give, there is no issue. Ratio of their ages are given. 4 years later, sum of their ages will be 56 years. Find the present ages. 4 years later the sum is given. Now ratio is given there. What is the ratio? It is a comparison between two like quantities, same type of quantities. So here ages are compared and the ratio is written as, it may be 50 and 70. Of course you are not so aged. So your age will be say about 5 2s are 10 and 14. It may be 10 and 14. One may be in 10th class or so. So 10 and 14 means it is a ratio of 5:7. How do you get 10? 5 into 2. How do you get 17? 7 into 2. So there is some factor called 2. Is it not? That we call it as x. So this age is not known. It may be any age like that. Is it not? So therefore let us take like this. Let the age of Rama be 5x. What is that x? X is one factor like 2, because we do not know exactly what it is. And how to get 5x? This ratio you must know. If you want, you can write one more step here. Ratio of the ages. Ratio of the ages of Rama and Krishna. Why not Bhima, sir? You can take Bhima also. Any name you can take, there is nothing in the names, okay. So that ratio is 5:7. That is only comparative, don't know exactly. So let the age of Rama be x, 5x. Then what about Krishna? If Rama's age is 5x, Krishna's age will be 7x. Okay, x is a constant factor. And now coming to the equation, sum of their ages after 4 years. See, suppose the age of Rama is 10 now. After 4 years, how much it becomes? 10 plus 4, right? After 4 years, how much here? 14 plus 4. That is the meaning. Now in 2022, the ages are 10 and 14. 2026, they are asking. So you have to add that, right? That is why I am giving an example like this. And now let us write the equation. After 4 years, ages will be 5x plus 4, that is of Rama, 7x plus 4, that is of Krishna, like this. Suppose this is Rama and this is Krishna, let us sub. So after 4 years what happens? 10 plus 4. After 4 years what happens? 14 plus 4, correct? And you are given that after 4 years the sum of their ages is 56. So by question you are given that it is 56. That is the equation you are getting now. Sum means what? If you add the ages of Rama and Krishna, this is the age of Rama, this is the age of Krishna. And what is that 56? That is sum of the ages after 4 years. Suppose given before, what should you write? Minus 4. They are given after 4 years, therefore you write plus 4. Okay. Now the equation becomes 5x plus 7x becomes 12x, correct? 4 plus 4, 8 is equal to 56. So 12x is equal to, bring this 8 this side, 56 minus 8, that is 48. So x is equal to 48 by 12, that is equal to 4. What is that x? X is a constant factor. Now the problem is not over. What you must write? Therefore, present age of Rama how much? We are taking it as 5x. So 5 into 4 how much? 20 years. So Rama's age is 20 years. Therefore, present age of Krishna, how much? 7x. 7x you have taken. So 7 into 4, that is 28. Now how do you verify it? Verification is, see, after 4 years they are telling, after 4 years 20 plus 4 becomes 24, 28 plus 4 becomes 32, 32 plus 24 becomes 56. That is all verification. Okay. So 3 marks question, note the steps correctly. Okay. Very nice. Shall we move on to the next problem? This answer is very, very important. You must write below this. There is no place here, that is why I wrote here. Actually, you must write below this. This answer you must underline it correctly. Okay. Now next question is 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? there are different kind of integers. This we are telling about consecutive integers, means say 1, 2, 3 etc. They are called consecutive integers, also called as counting numbers. And here what is the difference between these two? Is 1, here also 1, correct? And there are some integers called as odd integers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 etc. What is the difference here? This difference is 2, correct? These are called odd integers. This is called natural integers, also called as counting numbers. What about even? Even is 2, 4, 6, 8 etc. They are called even integers. Okay. Here the difference is 2. Okay. Now we are telling about 3 consecutive integers. 3 are there, like these 3 integers whose sum is 51. Can you guess them? Some sharp boys can guess it before working only. Select 3 numbers which comes to 51, that is all. So, what is the first step? Those numbers which you do not know, we will take it as x. That is a interesting point of algebra. Everything we take, let it be x. Okay. So, here let us take the first integer as x. If the first one is x, what about second one? X plus 1, third one x plus 2. Suppose fourth one is there, what will be? X plus 3, like that it continues. Here difference between the two numbers is 1, that is the meaning. So, 3, sum of the 3 add up to means what? You are adding, that comes to 51. First number, second number, third number, added. How many x here? X plus x plus x, 3x plus 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to 51. So, 3x is equal to 51 minus 3, that is 48, x is equal to 48 by 3. It multiplied here, bring to right hand side. So, 3 ones are 3 16s are, x is equal to 16. X is equal to 48 by 3 is 16. So, first integer will be 16, second will be 17, third will be 18. So, if you add all these things, how much you get? So, if you add all these, so x is 16, x plus 1 is 17, x plus 2 is 18, add it. 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 5, 21, 15 plus 6, 21, 2 plus 3 is 5, so 51. That is all the verification, okay. So, the three numbers are 16, 17 and 18. They are called consecutive integers. Why are they called consecutive? It comes one after another, okay. Suppose they give consecutive even numbers, 16, 18, 20, like that it comes. Followed? This is consecutive integers, not it? Okay. So, very simple, but the only thing you must know how to start. Starting trouble should not be there. You must know how to start, that is why you have solved this problem, okay. Now, we will see some home assignments. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Just now we are done on the same type of problem, and so these are all two simple problems for home assignment. And one more, if you want, you can take 15 years from now, that is plus 15 you must make. Ravi's age is 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's age or Ravi's present age? So, after 15 years it will be 4 times. What is the Ravi's present age they are asking. Okay. Now, let us see what Bhagwan Baba says. So, Bhagwan Baba's quotation means what he says, start the day with love, fill the day with, spend the day with love, fill the day with love, end the day with love. Love is God, live with love. What is love? Love is selflessness. Okay? Love is expansion. So, this is the way to God. Okay? So, try to answer the home assignment. Come prepared for the next class. Thank you.